sweeties. Hi. How you doing? Oh, look at that big beak. What cutie pies you are. Yeah. Come on. Let's go for a little walk. What do you see, huh? You're looking at everything. You're looking at everything. Yeah, let's take a little look-see at the fishies. What do you think, huh? The fishies? They're pretty, huh? Okay. Now let's come over here and look at the birdies. Let's go over here. Oh my goodness, the birdies took a bath. They took a big bath, didn't they, huh? You see the babies? There you go. Look at the finches. Good babies. Yes, good babies. Yeah. Hi. How's my babies? You guys are so cute. Yes, you are. You see the birdies? That's good babies. Yeah. Very cool, huh? Yeah. You guys are really, really cute. Yes, you are. You're really cute. Like big screen TV. Yeah. Okay, come on. Let's go do more walkabout. Let's go back. Okay. Okay. You ready to go back? You ready to go back? Let's do a little step up first. But I need both hands for this. Very good. Okay. Alrighty. Whoop. There you go. Good babies. You guys can come out again later.